This video will show you how to put sounds together to create words. This is the letter C, makes the sound K. The letter A makes the sound A. And the letter P, that makes the sound P. So the word is cap, 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 cap. The boy has a cap, cap. We take away the A and we add a U, and the word becomes cup, cup. C-U-P. K-A-P. Cup, cup. Cup. I drink coffee from a cup. The next word is map. M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. Map. We change the A to an O and it becomes mop, mop. M-O-P, mop. M-A-P, M-A-P, mop. Mop. I use a mop to clean the floor. Mop. The next word is pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. P-E-N. Pen. Pen. I use a pen to write in my book. Pen. If we change the E to an I, the word becomes pin. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. In. Pin. Now let's go through all of those new words. Do you remember what this is? It is a cap. C-A-P. Cap. Cap. And what is this? It is a cup. 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 C-U-P. Cup. And the next word is map. M-A-P. Map. Map. M-A-P. Map. The next word is a mop. M-O-P. Mop. 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 Do you remember what this is? It is a pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. And do you remember what this is? It is a pin. P-I-N. P-I-N. Pin.